Have you been told that cracking your knuckles will give you arthritis? Science has a surprising answer. It is completely harmless. That pop you hear isn't your bones rubbing together. It is the sound of gas bubbles. Your joints are filled with synovial fluid, which acts as a lubricant. When you pull your joints apart, the pressure in the fluid drops, causing dissolved gases like nitrogen and carbon dioxide to form tiny bubbles that rapidly collapse. This collapse creates the popping sound. Research on people who cracked their knuckles for decades showed no increased risk of joint damage or arthritis. It is just a satisfying release of pressure. So, don't worry about the noise. It is just gas escaping, not your bones breaking.